I'm back with another skirt tutorial. This time we're going to do the braided bodice dress. This is a great strapless dress. I have the long layer out. Why I like that is because it gives contrast with the straps of the short layer with the long layer of your skirt. So this is a really simple wrap style. You can wear a strapless bra with it if you'd like. It does come up high enough in the back for that if that's something that's important for you. Or you can wear it over a shirt or a tank top. I've done that before when I needed to layer. So that was the finished product. So we'll undo it and I'll show you how to get a braided bodice dress. Alright, so starting with the long layer out, if you want to do that, you can do the short layer out too. So it really doesn't matter, whichever one you prefer. But long layer out, the center buttonhole, another great point for this one. You can use a skirt that just has one buttonhole, or two or three, it doesn't matter, as long as it has one in the center of the waistband. So see that center buttonhole there? We are going to put that right in the middle of the chest, middle side to side. Then you're going to take each side and wrap it behind your back. This part can be a little tricky. You got to get that bottom one, the strap out. Okay, so you have it wrapped in the back. Oops, I didn't put the tag out, but you could put the tag on the inside, obviously. You might check that before you do your wrap. Then you're going to take each strap, and I kind of squeeze my arms down here to hold the skirt up. You're going to take each strap, and you're going to thread it from the inside to the outside of that buttonhole. So inside to the outside. Whoop. And make sure it's nice and snug. Might pull it up a little bit, get it where you want it, you know, all that good jazz. Okay, and then you're simply going to twist. I know I called it a braid, it's really just a twist, but braided bodice sounded a lot cuter, but I guess you could say twisted top, either way. Twist it a few times, just long enough to where it's like below where your bosom would be. So everybody's different sizes. Well, if you want to take it all the way to your belly button, you could. Either way. And then when you feel it gets to a comfortable level for you, you just tie it behind your back. So pretty simple there. And I'm just going to do a basic little bow. And there you have it. A braided bodice strapless dress. Great for summertime. You could pair a little cardigan with it. Super fun. Thank you so much for joining me today. That's a wrap.